Here we've got a Range Rover Evoque stuck in park. Took the airbox out. As you can see, got this little lever down here. To pull it to the side, put a little pin in it. It releases the car into neutral. As you can see now, it's in neutral, so it can be easily loaded into the back of the recovery truck. So this Range Rover Evoque is going to Edgerton Garage in Stretford. Just give Phil a shout, he's a nice guy, genuine. Does all your MOTs, services, repairs. Edgerton Garage, they don't mess about in here. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and follow our page.